If you haven't caught one of our Monday live streams, you might not know yet that we have a channel sponsor here at Color Gamut Consulting, and that's DTF Station. In this video, I'm going to explain why I chose to partner with DTF Station for our YouTube and educational content. And if you're curious as to why I picked this specific printer for my studio, you can check out the video right over here. So why DTF Station? I had some experience working with their equipment at my last job, and I really liked how they approached manufacturing with the end user experience in mind. Because of that, as soon as I went out on my own, I approached them. But before I even had a chance to bring up a partnership, they were already talking to me about collaborating on educational content. In that moment, I realized it was kind of a match made in heaven. We both wanted to work together. From there, it was just figuring out what would work best for both of our companies. One of the biggest problems in the DTF industry is the lack of truly ready-to-use equipment right out of the box. A lot of what's available are relabeled or rebranded Chinese manufactured machines, or you're paying a premium for a name brand printer. Most companies selling the rebranded machines don't include usable color profiles, so you can't just plug in and start printing. DTF Station is the only manufacturer I've seen that actually does include them, allowing their dealers to supply printers that are truly ready to go. And how do I know it works out of the box? These prints right here were done using the default profiles. No tweaks. Yet. DTF Station also has a massive library of video content. How to use the equipment, how to set it up, how to use the software. It's one of the largest I've seen from any company. If you take advantage of those resources, there's really no reason you can't be up and running insanely fast. Another thing I love is their approach to tech support. A lot of US-based dealers rely on phone or email support, if any. If you buy from overseas, you're often up at 1 a.m. trying to get help. But DTF Station uses Discord for their tech support. If you're under 30, you probably already know what that is. It gives you direct access to their team and lets you see other users' questions, so you might even find your answer without needing to ask. They're constantly building up that library of answered questions, and it's a really innovative, accessible way to support users. When it comes to equipment, their philosophy is simple: make it better. They've added thoughtful improvements like metal shielding over the encoder strips, better quality capping stations and pumps, and customized software with properly translated English. On their dryer shakers, instead of using bulbs, they use a heated platen for more consistent results with fewer failures. They also avoid using vacuum systems, which means quieter operation. And they don't just make dryer shakers for their printers. They make them for pretty much every DTF printer on the market. They also sell high quality ink and film to match their printers, which is what allows them to offer a truly out-of-the-box solution. No one else in the industry is doing a full stack setup like this. Even Epson only provides the printer and ink. They expect dealers to supply the film, powder, and shaker. DTF Station is delivering a complete top-tier solution from film and ink to printer, dryer shaker, and profiles, all dialed in to work together. Lastly, and maybe most importantly, we share a passion: educating this industry on how to produce the best quality DTF products out there. That's why DTF Station partnered with me. They're sponsoring our live streams and a handful of these videos over the next year, including this one. They believe, like I do, that a better educated DTF community helps this industry grow. I'm really excited about what this partnership means for this channel and for the DTF industry as a whole. If you're looking for the right printer solution for your setup, check the link in the description below to find a DTF Station dealer. You can also reach out to me and I'll help you find the right equipment fit and then connect you with the dealer. And if you're a dealer looking to offer a better solution for your customers and want to become a DTF Station dealer, I'll link that below as well. Just let them know Jeremy from Color Gamut Consulting sent you. If you want more tips, tools, tricks, and techniques to help you make the best DTF prints in the industry, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below with something you're struggling with. We'll make sure to cover it in an upcoming video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.